Hello, today we're going to be prepping and planting our garlic. I bought my garlic from King Garlic. I live in Southern California, Zone 10. There's two types of garlic. There's a hardneck and softneck. I am growing softneck because I do live in a warmer climate. Because I live in a warm climate, my garlic must go through a process of vernalization, which is it's the induction of a plant's flowering process by exposure to prolonged cold of winter or by an artificial equivalent. And our artificial equivalent is putting it in the refrigerator for about 6 to 8 weeks. I had my garlic cloves or bulbs in the refrigerator for 6 weeks. I am going to prep my garlic to plant outside. I have silver white, Lourdes Italian, California white, and early Italian. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to soak them for 2 hours in a mixture of baking soda, kelp, and humic acid. I'm going to use a tablespoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of kelp, and I'm going to use a teaspoon of humic acid. And humic acid, I want to know what this is. It basically has minerals in it to help the growth of a plant to be able to absorb nutrients. I've already mixed up 3 different trays or containers of this liquid, and I'm pulling out my garlic. Now, the first step in this process is to pull apart each clove. Now, if you look at this, you could tell, I don't know what it is, but there's something on there and I don't want to grow it. So I think you need to inspect every clove before you soak it and plant it. Down here, see what I'm doing. So I'm adding 4 cups of water or 1 quart of water. And then I'm going to do, this is a half tablespoon that I have, but I'm going to add a tablespoon. So 2 of these of kelp. Oops. Slowly. So that's 1 tablespoon. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of humic acid. So I bought this last year, so I didn't have to purchase anything new this year. Oops. So this is 1 teaspoon for the humic acid. Oops. And this is concentrate. So I'm going to mix this together. And then I separated and went through each clove of the silver white. And so I'm soaking this for 2 hours. I have early Italian, California white, Lourdes Italian, and I have silver white. Plant each clove 1 to 2 inches deep and 4 to 6 inches apart. Water heavily and then apply 3 to 4 inches of straw on top so that it can maintain moisture. Also, make sure that the bottom or the flat part of the clove is facing down because that is where the roots will come out, and the pointy part of the clove is pointed up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.